I'm Liz Heckles from the YOLO Land Trust, and we're standing on our welfare ranch. And what you see behind us is a currently row crop irrigation. We're having corn this year, but we'll be going through the standard rotation. When YOLO Land Trust purchased Welfare Ranch, this was all walnuts using furrow irrigation and a single well, and alternately using intake from the Sacramento River. We serve about 220 acres of walnuts that way. In 2017, we experienced a catastrophic tree die-off and lost most of our walnut trees after the Oroville Dam crisis. To get an investment on the ground, we decided to move to row crops, and that's where Don came in. And that's where the need for a different irrigation system that could accommodate his farming.
I am farming the YOLO Land Trust property along the river on Road 117. I became involved with them with ad I saw in the paper for ground was ground out for lease to be rented. So I answered the ad, the ground, and put the drip system in, and to help with the state on helping us with the pumping station. We've made a good ranch out of this area. We've got a corn crop here, and it's a good looking crop. So we'll see if we can get it harvested before the rains and the wind come in the wintertime. They had a walnut orchard there that they had to take out because from the Oroville Dam situation, it killed all the trees from subbing way late in the year. And then this other ranch they have came up, and this is the piece we're at now. It had walnuts on it. They also died from when the river was high. This ground won't crack to speak of. That ground there, you'd have cracks this big. I mean, trying to irrigate the tomatoes there without the drip, you couldn't get 25 ton. And now with the drip on that heavy ground, you get 50 ton because you can control your water right to the plant. YOLO Land got the grant because we need the grant to put the system in because it was so expensive. And if I owned the ground, it'd be a different subject, but I don't own the ground, so I can't afford to put the amount of money it would take to farm this. I could ever make it back. So they got the grant that helped us put this whole system in that made this ranch a better ranch than what it used to be. I mean, we leveled it and we put the drip system in, and even when a farmer who came by, he couldn't believe it was the same ranch he saw the year before.